Hi, my name is Philip Blunk, and I'm excited to present my honor project for the Nucamp Backend Bootcamp course for graduation in May 2023. For my project, I created a Django-based to-do list application that I like to call Task Tracker. Task Tracker is designed to help you stay organized and manage your tasks effectively. It incorporates HTML, CSS, and various Django packages such as login, mixins, and views. One of the key features of Task Tracker is user registration and authentication. Each user has their own account where they can securely manage their task. Users who do not yet have an account can create one using the registration feature, accessible from the main login screen. Simply click the register button from the login screen and fill out the form to create a new user account. Upon registering, the new user will be brought to their main screen where they'll be greeted by their name. It will also have a list of their task and list any of the incomplete tasks here at the top. Once you log in, you'll be greeted by your name and presented with your task list. As the task list grows, this search feature at the top becomes more and more useful. You can search by any sort of keyword. Adding tasks is a breeze as well. Simply click this plus icon at the top, fill in the information, description field is optional, and then hit the submit button. As you can see, we have multiple tasks that are the same. So deleting a task is as simple as clicking the red X here to the right. And then we'll confirm. Existing tasks can also be selected as well for any updates that need to be made. This is also where you can also mark task as complete. So as soon as the task is completed, simply check the checkbox and click submit. You'll see here that the task is updated with a blue icon, as well as strike through text. Now let's take a brief look into some of the app's functionality. You'll see over here on the left-hand side, I've created this main.html file, and this serves as the app's template, which ensures that we create a consistent look and feel across all pages. As you've seen as we've gone through the app here, all the pages are very consistent in their color scheme, layout, and overall look and feel. And that was accomplished through this main.html file here. Switching to the views.py file, we can take a look at the Django class views. So I use Django class views that have built-in methods and views, which helped reduce redundancy. It also separated my code into HTTP method types. And then ultimately, the class-based views provided a way for me to write cleaner and reusable code using the Python classes. One of the challenges that I faced was displaying the user-specific task. So each user that has a login will only see their task here on their task list. Initially, I encountered an issue where tasks for all users were shown regardless of who was logged in. But through some research on utilizing the Django class views, I was able to resolve the problem. Some of the features that I'd like to add in the future are a forgot password link here at the login screen. So if you don't have your password now, it'll simply ask you to enter a correct username and password. But if you're pretty certain that you know what your username and password are, There's no way currently to reset it outside of going through the admin side. The other thing I'd like to do is to introduce task due dates, as well as allow users to mark tasks complete directly from the main task list instead of having to go into the task details page. So in conclusion, developing this app was both challenging and rewarding. It allowed me to put my skills as a new backend developer to the test, as well as learn how to think through different workflows and research issues that I ran into. Thanks so much for your time and checking out my app.